Okay, so today we are going to discuss about stress management. I hope you all are prepared to take part in discussion, right? Because I had already given you the topic so that you can take preparation, and I hope that you all are prepared, right? And this is a very common topic, stress management. We all are acquainted with the topic, right? And we all are often going through stress, right? And so we should know how to manage stress, right? So we should have control over stress. So in today's discussion, we will discuss about what is stress, right? How can we identify the sources of stress, and how can we manage our stress? Okay, so we are going to discuss all these points. Okay, so let's start. Let's start. You have to take initiative to start, right? I will not start. I have
Ma'am,
already told you how to start, how to maintain discussion, and then how to conclude. We have discussed, right? So start. What are you waiting for?
मैम ये तो हम लोग का फर्स्ट क्लास है ना।
फर्स्ट क्लास है। जीडी
हाँ सिविल
जीडी कभी नहीं क्लास हुआ।
स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट में फोर्थ सेम में नहीं हुआ।
फोर्थ सेम में जीडी डिफरेंट तो नहीं होता है, सेम ही तो होता है। थर्ड सेम में जैसे जीडी प्रैक्टिस किया, तो फोर्थ सेम में वी विल कंटिन्यू द सेम।
ओके, तो आप
फोर्थ
थोड़ा
सेम में
ब्रीफ
तो
कर
जीडी
देते
का कोई
ताकि
डिफरेंट रूल नहीं होगा। जो जो मैंने सीखा है बस उसी को फॉलो करना है। थर्ड सेम, फोर्थ सेम और सेकंड सेम, whatever same it is, just you have to follow whatever I have told you. I have told you that try to be beginner, right? Don't stop. Where you
मैम
just stop?
मैम
Yes, because
stress is feeling come out from mental and emotional pressure.
yes. What I want to tell you that try to be a little bit professional. Why don't you prepare earlier? I had given you the topic. Take preparation, right? So that you can start. Whenever you will take part in formal group discussion, there will be no one to guide you, right? There will be no one to tell you say something, right? You have to take part. And if you don't practice, then you will not be able to say anything while participating in GD. You have to do practice, right? I had given you the topic. The topic is very common.
Ma'am, I'm starting.
Start.
stress management. Right from the birth till the last breath drawn, an individual is invariably exposed to various stressful situations. So, stress is defined as it is the reaction people have to excessive pressure or other types of demand placed upon them. It arises when they worry that they can't cope. Sign of stress: insomnia, loss of mental concentration, depression, extreme anger and frustration, family conflict, migraine, headaches, and back problems.
Then again stop.
Cause of stress: job insecurity, high performance demand, personal or family problems. Stress, stress can be of two types: positive stress and negative stress. Positive stress characteristics are motivates, focuses energies, in short term feels exciting, improves performance. Positive stress results are enable concentration, increase performance, energizes you into motion. And negative stress characteristics causes anxiety or concern, feels unpleasant, decrease performance, and can lead to mental and physical problems, which result in loss of motivation, reduced effectiveness, and physical and behavioral problems.
Okay, Sangeeta. Then stop. No one is prepared, right?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, costless. Say.
Uh, Actually, I was busy, ma'am. Okay, I'm starting. Uh, I believe that I can define stress in a much simple manner. According to me, stress is what we feel when we are feeling an emotion that we are unable to express that. In other words, stress is an undefined emotion. That is, if we are mentally feeling some emotion that we can't express or explain, then it probably means we are under stress.
Okay.
And I think human mentalities varies from person to person. Some people suffer from stress. It means in terms related to work, exam, academics, business, relationship, family, marriage, extramarital affairs, and the list goes on and on. Some people overcome stress by listening to music, you can say watching movies, cigarette, alcohol, long drive, sound sleep, drinking coffee or tea. Easy. It depends on person to person that how they tackle the stress in their own way. The best way is listening to music and I think a deep sleep.
Okay, costless. So what about others? All are silent? What I have told you. So,
Stress.
okay, listen, Vishal. What I have told you earlier, and again I want to repeat that whenever maybe your friend or participant, you may call your friend, whenever your friend is telling something, okay, you have to interrupt, you have to just interrupt, and you have to snatch the opportunities to speak. Suppose costless is speaking, and someone who agrees with the point of costless, you can interrupt and say, okay, well, my friend, I agree with you, and then start speaking. There will be so many candidates, and you have to snatch the opportunity, and so that you can speak something. There will be no one, again and again I'm telling you, there will be no one to guide you and ask you to say something. No, there will be no one, so you have to take your opportunity. So do practice. If you practice, then you will be able to say something while participating in GD, right? It's not that you have to do practice. So all are silent. I have to say something. Then you are telling just 1 point or 2 point. It's not like that. You are participating in a GD. Now say, Bisal. And everybody just,
Ma'am,
yes, say.
I agree with Koslas. One point there is for stress manage we should need a deep sleep because many people's many people's won't properly sleep like for 8 hour or 7 hour maximum. Nowadays maximum people are sleep for only 2, 4, 3, maximum 5, that much. That also causes the health problem, and this should be managed. This should also be managed by the people.
Okay, good sleep is required. Right. Then all are
And
silent.
ma'am, ma'am, there is include one thing that they have, if anyone is weak in their mental condition, they should go for therapies also, and
Okay.
meditation, etc.
Meditation. Right. Then don't stop. Share. There are so many points to share. Right. It's a very common topic.
Ma'am, may I try, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
No need to ask. Just
many
say one by
people's
one.
stress.
I want to make the GD as a formal, GD. So as formal group discussion, say one by one, as I have told you. Just follow whatever I have told you. Say.
Many people's stress, ma'am. Relationship, financial problem, health problem, busy schedule, such as many stressed people, job pressure,
Hmm. Pressure.
it can recover from meditation, walking to morning time, sleep proper time, minimum 6 to 8 hours.
Okay, let me tell you, while participating in GD, you have to, you have to give structure to the discussion. How? Suppose, as I have told you earlier, that at first start, okay, start the GD at first, it will create good impression. It will prove that you have that ability to start, right? You have that, you have that ability to initiate something. Okay, then after starting, then say something, um, the cause of stress, just structure one by one. At first, what is stress? Okay, then the causes of stress, then how can you manage stress? After that, conclude, try to conclude. That means you have to give, the structure. It's not that you are getting one opportunity and you are telling everything. What is stress? How can we identify stress and how can we manage stress? Not everything. Just discussion means, before starting the discussion, I have already told you what are the points you have to cover. So just discuss, serially points. Try to maintain a structure. Introduction. After that, the points. What are the cause? What are the how can we manage? Then conclusion. Are you getting my point? So just say.
Ma'am,
Yes,
hello, ma'am.
Costas. Yes, Costas. Say.
I want to say something. I think these days stress is one of the most frequent spoken topics in the world also. Not only in India, but in the world also. Our lives are getting more hectic
Right.
day by day.
Right.
So people have so much stress everywhere. However, sometimes it seems to be too much for us to handle also. But I want to ask everyone present in the class that what is the best way to come out or to tackle the stress?
Hmm.
Can anyone give the
Yes.
answer of this question?
Yes. Say.
After
Say.
that, I will give.
Hmm. Say. How can we manage stress?
Man, the management of stress is also we cannot specifically said that manage all type of stress can be managed by same therapy or process or anything. All types of stresses are managed by different ways. Like if anyone has study stress and study, the the stress could be overcome by the proper learning and proper by completing of study.
Okay.
Ma'am,
By
Say. Yes.
ma'am, these are stress management is technique. There are many ways to reduce stress in my life and your life and our life. From exercise to journaling to meditation. Let's, for example, physical. There are various physical techniques. You can also one of these is yoga. There are many videos for the exercise involving body stretching online. You can begin your daily with 15 minutes of yoga to let go off tension in your body and clear your mind. A morning yoga of other forms exercise can help with realizing and happy hormones, and there are mental. Let's now look at some mental techniques to manage stress. The first of this is meditation. This requires that you practice a state of no mind or a state of mind without or with minimal thinking, and that's it all, ma'am.
Okay, Anuradha. Then.
I want to add one more point that laughter is also
Yes.
a best technique for stress management. It
Hmm.
helps to lower BP and reduce hypertension. And it is very helpful for those who are unable to perform exercise.
Okay. Good point. Anyone else?
Ma'am, as I asked everyone that what is the best way to tackle the stress, so I want to answer four amazing stress busters that work for me also.
Okay.
It means I was first every when I am in stress, I tried that amazing stress buster
Okay.
like music. It means when I am in stress, I want to do or I want to listen something music. It means my idol is Sri Krishna. So when I am in a stress, I look at his eyes instantly. So it gave me supernatural power also, supernatural energy also.
Okay.
So these are some best method that we can use to tackle the stress.
Good one. Then anyone who want to add some other points?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Anuradha.
Ma'am, some benefits: sleep better, control your weight. Am I right, ma'am?
Good habits. Okay.
Uh,
Healthy, balanced diet. You want? Yes, we should have balanced diet, and I think you were telling about our good habits, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Healthy
And
lifestyle.
feel
Healthy lifestyle. Yes. Say.
yes, ma'am. Get sick less often. Feel better faster when you do get sick. Uh, Less muscles tension. Be in a better mood. get along better with family and friends. It's ma'am benefit of managing stress, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, tell me one thing. We all are discussing about how to manage stress and the negative sides of stress, right? Tell me one thing. Do you think that stress can be motivating sometimes? Do you think so?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Sometimes it's very helpful and it increases our performance level.
Right.
We are determined to do anything that we have given some work to do
Yes,
given
yes,
time.
yes.
Pressurized that we have to complete that work in given
Mm.
deadline. That's
Yes, right. This is what I want to get from you. Yes, this point is very vital. Sometimes stress is also motivating us. It helps us to complete our work on time. But if stress lasts for long time, it will be harmful. But sometimes, stress is helpful. It motivates us to do our work on time. So this is the positive side of stress.
Is this negative motivation, ma'am?
No, not negative motivation. It motivates.
Diet plan.
Suppose you have some huge work pressure. You will feel stressed, right? You will feel stressed, and you will start working, right? It will motivate you to work hard, and once you start working, and if you are under pressure, then within a deadline, it will motivate you to a certain level that will help you to complete the work on time. So this is the thing what I meant here. Positive motivation, not negative.
Ma'am, ma'am, diet plan. मैम एक और वे हो सकता है ये करने स्ट्रेस को रिड्यूस करने का doing your dedicated or important work instead of dopamine task helps to reduce cumulative stress. यानी अगर रोज का काम जो डेडिकेटेड काम उसको करते जाए तो
Yes. Priority. Yes, obviously. You have to
one of
organize
the most point diet
See.
plan.
balanced diet. Yes. You should maintain always a healthy and balanced diet, healthy lifestyle. It will help you. It will help to reduce your stress. If you maintain a healthy and balanced diet, healthy lifestyle, it will help you to reduce stress to a certain level.
Lots of added sugar and that can have the opposite effect, and junk food can seem even more appealing when you are under a lots of
Yes. Okay. Whenever you feel stressed, suppose a situation, there are some situations when we are in front of some situations, and the solutions were not, we are not getting the way out, right? We are not getting the solution of those situations, then we feel stressed. So what should we do then if we feel stressed? At first, there are some situations what we can avoid, so if you then avoid, and if you can't avoid the situations, then try to adapt to the situation. Let me give you some example. Suppose um, some TV news, okay, some news channels. Suppose pandemic is going on, and whenever we watch some news, we are getting some bad news and we are getting upset, right? So if you feel stressed, yes, what is going on all over the world, what is going on, if you feel stressed, then you can just switch off your news channel and don't watch news. If you feel stressed whenever you watch news, then you can just avoid for some time. You have to be updated, right, what is going on there. But if you feel more stressed, then you can just avoid the news. Okay, in this way you can manage your stress. And if you there are some situation you can't avoid. Suppose um, because of the death of your dearest one or some relatives, you are very stressed because of the death of your relative. Okay, this is the situation you can't avoid. So what can you do then? Try to accept things, the thing as the things are, try to accept those things. Okay, so if you accept the things the way the things are, it will help you to manage your stress. So at first try to avoid things, and if you can't avoid the situation, there are some situations you can't avoid, then try to adapt to the situation, you know so this is one thing. And yes, whenever you feel stressed, try to speak your feelings to your family members or your friends, your relatives, whatever. Just speak it out. When you just when you speak to someone about the feelings you are going through, about the sufferings you are going through, it will help you to manage your stress. You will feel less stressed. If you are telling about your feelings to someone, your friend maybe, or your family members, your relative maybe, so you will feel good. you know so this is one thing. And exercise and meditation and all, you all have told. So
Yes, ma'am.
yes, exercise and
Is this
meditation,
due to
you can listen to the music, whatever, nourish yourself. One more thing is, just nurture yourself. Whatever you like to do, maybe listening to music or maybe reading books, right? Whatever you like to do, just do those things. You will feel better. You will feel less stressed. So you have to just nurture yourself. You have to make yourself happy. You have to motivate yourself. So these are the things. There are so many points yet left. So anyone else want to say?
Ma'am, positive stress many characteristics. Motivates optional energy to work, im, im, improve performance, and also short-term immune system create.
Be honest.
But
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
it is a
Costless, say.
positive stress is short-term.
Because I'm not getting your point actually.
Ma'am, these days, I think one of the major problem of the stress is lack of communication also. Every people is busy in technology. I think
Right.
one of the major reason is phone.
Hmm.
There is lack of communication. They do not talk to friends. They do not talk to their relatives.
Right.
So I think this is the major problem for causing a stress.
Right. Whenever you are going through stressed, you feel stressed, you have to share your feelings to others. It will help to reduce stress.
If anyone have hesitated to share, they also can write in their feelings in diaries, or they speak
Right.
in front of mirror, or
Right.
many
Yes,
such.
they can also write. Vishal, you are right. If they feel hesitate
Also, ma'am,
to say, they can write.
also, ma'am, they can shoot their own video in front of camera and speak their whatever their stress or any problem. They can
Yes.
also.
Yes, they can. They can do. Just
And
we
also,
have to
ma'am,
relieve the
simply,
stress. Yes, Cos, let's say.
we should not concern ourselves with anything that we cannot control. I think we cannot truly control anything that happens to us. What we can control is how we respond also.
Yes.
Every response I think we give to what happens to us is a choice. Simply we are stressed because we choose to be stressed.
Right.
This,
Our
this is also
response matters. Yes, our response matters. How do you respond to the
Yes.
situation that creates stress? It matters a lot. Any other point left you can share?
Actually, ma'am, there are many points, but suddenly it cannot come to our mind. Uh, we have to think.
Ma'am, also one point that overcoming from stress, we have also choose some right path for right things to overcome. Like many people also choose this alcoholic or involvement for stress release. They listening music more over the need. That is also causes problems. Like if anyone
It will
Idolatry.
create long-term.
relaxed by
Yes.
alcoholic, that problem health
It will
also
create long-term
choose.
problems to health. Yeah, maybe temporarily you may feel relaxed temporarily, right? If you take alcohol or drugs or some kind of that, so you will feel relaxed temporarily, but it will create long-term problems to your health. So we should not take that kind of habit. You know, we should always we should always follow some healthy habits, healthy diet, healthy and balanced diet, healthy lifestyle. Alcohol is not a solution.
Meditation and yoga is the best solution, and namaz also.
Meditation, yes. So now you can conclude. What do you want to say while concluding the topic?
Ma'am, to manage stress, we should adopt some healthy habits and not to indulge in alcoholic and other addiction, intoxication addictions.
Right.
And and also we don't repeat the problem for to get
And
again stressed.
and we should not let our stress to become long-term problem like depressions and which leads to suicidal tendencies and all. That should also be managed by consulting a psychologist. Our topic is stress management. So, in conclusion, I want to say that stress has pros and cons. So, if people will handle stress effectively, this can provide a lot of advantages or benefits to people. But if people will not handle stress effectively, this can lead to a lot of problem, or this may lead to create a lot of problem to people. So it is a common problem in modern life. So it depends on us how we can handle the stress. Yes.
There will be stress. In our life, obviously, we have to face stress. Stress is a part of our